Hey guys, Alice and Sean here again. Welcome back. We're super excited to tell you about this new listing that we have on Amy Lane. It is a 3-bedroom, 3 bathrooms. It's close next door to the Sunny Hills golf course. You don't have to go far. You can just 10-minute drive to the golf course and play golf, or you can go to Boat Lake, have fun in the sun and take the kids. There's a park nearby, spend the day picnic, and then just go back home. It's only 10 minutes. If you are interested to live in the area, give us a call. If you would like to sell your property, let us know. We'll be happy to help. Take a look at the footage of the surrounding areas and the beautiful aerial shoots and photos of this home. Give us a call. Our contact information is below. Looking back to hear from you.